Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Jurong Bird Park. Discover magnificent birds and the world's tallest man-made waterfall in an aviary. These are some of the fascinating things we will catch a glimpse of. So relax as we journey into the world where colors live. Here at the Jurong Bird Park, there's so much to see and do. Be sure to catch the High Flyers show, featuring an exhilarating lineup of bird stars and free fly performances at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. located at the Pulse Amphitheater. Look, heliconias on both sides. Bright and colorful blooms commonly found in a tropical rainforest. The Jurong Bird Park is one of the largest heliconia collection centers in the world and the only one in Asia. To your right, dazzling bright red